Ruling of this court, it's an enforcement of the judgment delivered by Justice M.A. Hassan of the High Court, saying that the judgment of M.A. Hassan said, you cannot arrest or detain Mr. Godwin Emefiele on trumped-up charges of corruption or of financing, terrorism financing. You cannot arrest or detain him on that. You understand? However, because they did not obey that judgment of the court, they went ahead to arrest him and detain him. Godwin Emefiele, through his lawyers, had approached this court to enforce that same judgment. And in enforcing the same judgment, the court has just said, release this man, or because you have authority to arrest, investigate, charge him to court within the constitutional provision, which is within 48 hours. We don't say you cannot arrest. You can arrest. We don't say you cannot investigate. You can investigate. It is your authority. It is within your authority to do that, and the law permits you to do that. You understand? But doing it, you do it within the confines of the Nigerian Constitution 1999 as amended. And that is what we're asking. Let that judgment, and even if you're going to even charge him to court, it will not be on that, the issues that were raised in that judgment, because they are, the court is functions official on those issues that were raised before Justice M.A. Hassan. And the most of it is that DSS was even a party. They were represented in that case. Now there is no appeal. There is no stay for execution. For you to now do what? Go ahead and arrest this man.